So people have mixed opinions about this new text-to-speech lady. She's just too realistic. I love you. I love you.
And then I said exercise. I thought you said extra fries.
You are so funny.
You really think so? You know, I've never understood how Woody's hat never comes off with the wind. So what do we do now?
We keep it and raise the baby.
What is this?
Oh no.
I come home from work to see you in bed with another phone?
I can explain.
Get out.